Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Bantu knot on this wild mess of my hair. So I'm starting with a rat tail comb and I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. My hair is super thick, so it's really hard for me to see my part, so I try my best to make it as straight as possible. So I just continue my part and I just kind of feel my way around and separate my hair. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair into 4 ponytails.
I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say, girl, you can roll my drugs. I like my Swisher stuff. That's 0.8 on the gram. Girl, that is not enough. I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. Girl, you came from the mud.
Now going in with my curls twist and braid control paste. I can't remember the name, but it smells really good. It's Blueberry Bliss, one of my favorite products by them. And I'm just going to section my hair off into smaller pieces. And I'm going to apply that product onto my hair just to get a nice moist or texture to it, so my hair won't feel as coarse or dry. And I'm going to do the finger coil method. So you're just wrapping a strand of hair around your finger as tight but not too tight at the root, and then once it starts to bend, you want to wrap that strand around itself, creating a Bantu knot. Once I get to the end of the strand, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and secure that knot so it stays in place. So again, we're going to repeat the same method. We're going to part a smaller section. We're going to take some more of that product and distribute it throughout the strand. And we're going to begin to do the finger coil method, or the single strand twist method, wrapping it around our finger until it tightens up, and wrap it around itself. And then we're going to secure it with a bobby pin, and we're going to continue this method throughout all 4 sections of the hair.
You know, you strike me as a swell girl that likes the finer things in life, you know? If it's not too much to ask, I'd like to possibly take you out on a date, if you'd like that.
For my real fans.
You drink sometime, you know? And if things go well, I might buy you a bag, or some bundles, or something. Wait, what is that? You wanna tag along? Well, hell, I'll bring the whip right around.
I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say, girl, you can roll my drugs. I like my Swisher stuff. That's 0.8 on the gram. Girl, that is not enough. I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. Girl, you came from the mud, and not too many make it. You my diamond in the rough. I say let's pull up on the block. Yeah, let's pull up on the block. That foreign push to start. I say get treated like a star. That's all of my regard. Might punch you in the clock. This only is a movie as long as you play your part. I got Gucci back for you. It ain't tricking if you got it. We can make it back in one day. Double up, you keep the private. Might put your ass on a little boat. Yeah, fuck around, call it yachty. Go have on the baby only if you really bout it. Yeah.
You know, you could really use my help, you know? You know, I could improvise or something. Well, the offer will always be on the Bye-bye now.
I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say, girl, you can roll my drugs. I like my Swisher stuffed. That's .8 on the gram. Girl, that is not enough. I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. I might make you the plug. I say I might make you the plug. Girl, you came from the mud, and not too many make it. You my diamond in the rough. I say let's pull up on the block.
Only go on 10.
Now taking my Bantu pomade styling cream, whatever you want to call it, I'm just taking down my Bantu knives strand by strand and separating them. The Bantu is just more so to add shine. It's like a styling type of pomade, just to add shine and moisture and all of that good stuff to help prevent my hair from being frizzy. So yeah, this is the final result of my hair, and I just kind of go through with a wide tooth comb because I can't find my afro picks to pick my hair out, and just fluff it and style it to my liking, and apply bobby pins if you need to. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.